Hello everyone, today we are reviewing this solar wireless license plate backup camera kit. Let's go ahead and unbox it, show you guys what you get. So inside the kit you get a user manual, you get your really nice screen display. As you can see, it is pretty big. All your different settings are underneath. You get all your fun accessories in here. Remote push button, power cables, suction cup, antenna, brackets, and then let's show you guys the actual license plate frame. So here's the actual frame. As you guys can see, the camera's in the center right up here. You have your solar panels on the left and right side. It's actually pretty nice. I like this. I love the stars. Overall, this is really nice. Really nice setup. Guys, take a look at this quality. This is amazing. Guys, like, I'm serious. Like, this quality is, this is top of the line quality. Like, that video quality is insane. Look at this. I know you guys can't see how good the quality really is, but in person, it's probably one of the best quality I've ever seen in one of these kind of cameras. Like, literally one of the best quality I have ever seen. Wow. And it paired and synced up really well. Overall, I'm very impressed with this. Super impressed.